The role and importance of no fault accident attorneys. Accidents are an unfortunate reality of modern life, and when they occur, they often leave a trail of physical, emotional, and financial devastation in their wake. In such instances, legal recourse becomes a vital avenue for affected parties to seek compensation and justice. One specific area of legal expertise that addresses accident case is that of no-fault accident attorneys. These legal professionals play a crucial role in navigating the complexities of no-fault insurance systems, advocating for the rights of accident victims, and ensuring they receive the compensation they deserve. Understanding no fault accident and insurance systems. No fault accidents refers to situations where each party involved in an accident is responsible for their own injuries and damages, regardless of who was at fault. This concept stands in contrast to the traditional fault based system where the party at fault is liable for the injuries and damages suffered by others. No fault insurance systems were introduced with the intention of streamlining the claim process, reducing litigation, ensuring quicker compensation for accident victims. In a no fault insurance system, individuals involved in an accident are required to seek compensation primarily from their own insurance provider, regardless of who caused the accident. However, navigating these systems can be intricate and challenging, especially when the extent of injuries, property damage, and overall financial impact is considered. This is where no fault accident attorneys step in. The role of no fault accident attorneys. No fault accident attorneys are legal professionals who specialize in representing clients involved in accidents within no fault insurance jurisdictions. This primary objective is to ensure that the clients receive fair and just compensation for the injuries and damages, regardless of the complexities of the no fault system. These attorneys play various roles in the system of legal process, legal guidance, and counseling. No fault accident attorneys guide their clients through the often confusing legal landscapes of no fault insurance system. They explain the intricacies of the process, the roles of the clients, the rights, and the potential compensation they may be entitled to, document preparation and filling. These attorneys assist clients in the gathering the necessary documentation and evidence to support their claims. This may include medical records, accident reports, witness settlements, and proof of financial losses. Negotiation and advocacy. No fault accident attorneys negotiate with insurance companies on behalf of their clients to ensure that the offered compensation adequately covers medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and other related costs. They are skilled at advocating for their clients' best interests during this negotiation. Litigation. In case when negotiations fail to yield a fair settlement, no fault accident attorneys are prepared to take legal action and present the clients in court. They build strong cases, present evidence, and argue for the compensation of the clients deserve. Navigating complex cases. Some no fault accident cases involve intricate factors such as disputed liability or severe injuries. Attorneys specializing in this field have the expertise to handle such complexities effectively. The importance of no fault accident attorneys. No fault accident attorneys plays an indispensable role in ensuring that accident victims are not left alone to navigate the challenges of the legal system. Their expertise levels the playing field, as insurance companies often have legal teams working to minimize their liability. The assistance of no fault accident attorneys increases the likelihood that victims receive the compensation they require to recover and rebuild their lives. In conclusion, the role of no fault accident attorneys cannot be overstated. They act as advocates, guides, and representatives for individuals, who have experienced the physical, emotional, and financial toll of accident. By providing legal expertise and support, these attorneys contribute significantly to the pursuit of justice and the restoration of normalcy for accident victims within the framework of no-fault insurance system. With the challenges and consideration in no-fault accident cases, with no-fault accident attorneys provide crucial support to accident victims. It's important to recognize that navigating no-fault insurance systems and handling related legal matters can present challenges. These challenges highlight the necessity of skilled legal professionals in this field. Complex regulations. No-fault insurance laws and regulations can be intricate and vary from state to state. No-fault accident attorneys possess in-depth knowledge of these regulations, ensuring that client rights are upheld and their claims are appropriately handled. Determining compensation. Calculating fair compensation in no-fault cases can be challenging due to the range of factors involved, such as medical costs, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Attorneys assess these factors comprehensively to ensure clients receive an equitable settlement. Insurance company tactics. Insurance companies might employ tactics to minimize payouts, such as offering inadequate settlements or delaying the claims process. Experienced no-fault accident attorneys are familiar with these tactics and can counter them effectively. Injury assessment. Injuries resulting from accidents can vary widely in terms of severity and long-term impact. No-fault accident attorneys work closely with medical professions to accurately assess the extent of injuries and forecast future medical needs. Disputed liability. No-fault insurance doesn't necessarily address issues of fault, but disputes over liabilities can still arise. Attorneys adeptly handle such disputes, ensuring that their clients' interests are protected. Time constraints. No-fault insurance systems often have strict timelines for filing claims and seeking medical treatment. Attorneys have clients adhere to these deadlines, preventing potential claim denials, potential for litigation. With no-fault insurance systems aim to reduce litigation, legal action might be necessary. Attorneys with litigation experience are equipped to take these cases to court and secure favorable outcomes. Conclusion. No-fault attorneys, accident attorneys serve as vital allies for individuals navigating the complexities of no-fault insurance system in the aftermath of accidents. Their role extends beyond legal representation. They offer guidance, support, and advocacy to help accident victims secure the compensation they need to rebuild their lives. The challenges posed by no-fault insurance systems underscore the importance of having skilled legal professionals who understand the nuances of these systems and can effectively navigate them on behalf of their clients. In a world where accidents can have far-reaching consequences, the role of a no-fault accident attorneys is indispensable. Their dedication of upholding the rights of accident victims, their knowledge of complexities, regulation, and their ability to negotiate and litigate when necessary contribute to a more just and equitable resolution cases within the realm of no-fault insurance. As individuals continue to rely on legal expertise to navigate life's challenges, the significance of no-fault attorneys remains a crucial cornerstone of the judicial system.